Nashema News. I'm Rizwan Asadia. I'll be getting you the political situation in Karnataka. As there is a political buzz around the change of leadership in the BJP government led by B.S. Yediyurappa. Nasheman had already published a story on Friday itself saying that Yediyurappa has gone to Delhi in a chartered flight along with his son to meet the Prime Minister and the Home Minister and the party president. Speculations were whether he will be asked to step down or whether Yediyurappa will resign. After meeting the Honorable Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the party president, Yediyurappa came out smiling and then he spoke to the media saying that nothing of sort has happened and only he spoke on development. And as Yediyurappa will be completing 2 years in office on July 26th, he has called for a BJP legislative party meeting. According to close sources in the BJP, Yediyurappa will be likely to step down and he has already spoken to the party high command. Some conditions he has put down where his sons would be accommodated. One son in the central government, in the union government, he would be made a minister, and another son, Vijendra, would be likely to become the deputy chief minister. And Yediyurappa would, for temporarily, he would be looking after the affairs of the party and later on be shifted as the governor of some state in India. Now, it remains to be seen how the change will have an impact on the Karnataka BJP in Karnataka with Yediyurappa stepping down. And the party high command has also given a free hand for Yediyurappa to pick up his choice as the chief minister. There are 3-4 candidates in the running. Baswaraj Bommai, the former chief minister S.R. Bommai's son, who is a present home minister. He is in the front reckoning to become the chief minister. There is Murugesh Nirani, Umesh Katti, Prahlad Joshi. It remains to be seen on July 26th when the BJP legislative party meets what is going to be the outcome. In the meanwhile, in the Congress is also not far behind. Elections are 2 years down the line and Congress is fighting for the chief minister's post. The Congress is divided into 4, split wide open after one of the MLAs told that Siddaramaiah is likely the future chief minister of Karnataka. Since past 1 month, there has been dissidents in the Congress, like the Punjab government. Here, we have a group with D.K. Shivkumar, one group. We have one group with Siddaramaiah, one group of Dr. Parameshwarappa, and one group of Mallikarjun Kharge. All is not well in Congress also, as the case it is in the BJP. The High Command of Congress have called both the leaders, that is KPCC President D.K. Shivkumar and leader of the opposition and former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, to Delhi tomorrow to sort out the difference and to see what best amendments can be done and what compromise can be done. There is a lot of political buzz in Karnataka at the moment, both in the BJP as well as in the Congress. And the best part is that it is the JDS which is watching the developments very keenly. We all know that H.D. Kumaraswamy would be the chief minister of the Janata Dal if Janata Dal somehow manages to become a king maker. So there is no worry for the JDS in Karnataka as far as the chief minister is concerned. All eyes would be tomorrow where D.K. Shivkumar as well as Siddaramaiah would be meeting the party high command, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. And what will be the outcome of the July 26th BJP legislative party meeting. Till then, keep watching.